Do you like this so much that you'd ask it for your birthday, Parker?
Yeah. Yes.
You would?
Yes.
Everly, what about you?
No, I want cake for my birthday.
What is up, everybody? Joel here. I'm with my buddy Parker and Everly. What's up, guys?
Good.
Good? What's up is good? All right, quick question. Do you guys like mac and cheese or no?
I do.
A whole bunch.
All right, so we're gonna rock out a delicious kind of mac and cheese. Instead of the creamy cheese sauce, it's totally dependent on butternut squash. First thing is, when you see boiling water, you always wanna make sure there's an adult around.
Yeah.
But second, you always wanna make sure there's salt around. Grab a little pinch. Go for it, Parker.
Oh.
Boom! You wanna do a pretty big pinch of salt, and then we're gonna pour our pasta in. Can you guys do this part already, you think? I think you can,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Easy. So,
Yes.
have you ever carved a pumpkin on Halloween?
Yes.
I'm gonna cut this up into just little cubes.
That one.
So I'm gonna add the squash into the pasta so it all happens in the same pan. That way I don't have to get another one dirty. And while that's happening, see this right here? I want you to take it, lay it on top, and with all your power, I want you to smash it.
Okay.
Let's see. That's awesome, Everly. Keep going. Yes! Killing it, Parker. That's awesome. So the bacon, we're starting to get a little crispy. And then, what I want you to do, Everly, is add the garlic into the pan with the bacon. You ready? Go for it. Shake it all off. Yeah. All right, beautiful. And I'm gonna strain the pasta. Beautiful. All right, so that's in. I'm gonna keep this pan around. We've got our bacon. So what I want you to do, Everly, is pour the pasta into the pan. Yes!
It's already in there.
And then, Parker, where's your cheese, buddy?
Wow.
Yes. All right, so this water is so starchy, it's so creamy, so you just add a nice big ladle or two, and this is what makes the sauce. It's kind of like a mac and cheese. All right, now I'm gonna add this whole mixture. Remind me what's in here.
Cheese.
Squash.
Cheese. Sauce.
Squash.
Squashy.
Squash, cheese,
Sauce.
water from the pasta.
Sauce.
Easy.
Squash cheese sauce.
That's
Squash
going
cheese
all in.
sauce.
Here we go.
Oh,
Parker,
never seen
do
this.
the honors, my man. Pour it over the pasta in the pan. Everly, I want you to mix it up big time.
Okay.
Yeah, buddy. So totally up to you. If one of the kiddos wants some bacon, do it. If they don't do it. And then I'm gonna grate some cheese over the top, and then you guys are gonna tell me what you think. Moment of truth. Fast, veg forward, not too many dishes. She's into it. Parker loves it. Yes. What do you think, Everly?
I can taste the hotness.
You can taste the hotness. I love it.